Hey guys, we got a dam breach in Wilmington, North Carolina. Duke Energy's coal ash power plant retention pond breaking. Dam breach at Wilmington Duke Energy plant. Coal ash could be spilling into Cape Fear River. What does this mean? Well, it means toxic waste nightmare. That's what that means. Toxic waste nightmare flowing into the waterway. Lead, mercury. These are all going to be deposited in perpetuity where people live and along the banks of the Cape Fear River. It's going to affect the ecosystems, and it's going to affect the life expectancy of tens of thousands of people in this region. Just not for years. No way to prove it. Do you think these energy companies give a about you? I doubt it. AP Newsbreak, dam breach at Duke plant. Coal ash could spill. Could. Florence's headwaters breached a dam holding back a large reservoir at Wilmington Power Plant on Friday, and coal ash from an adjacent dump is flowing into nearby Cape Fear. Duke Energy spokeswoman Paige Sheehan said the company does not believe the breach at the LV Sutton Power Plant poses a risk for increased flooding. No duh, the river is at all-time 1,000-year highs. Of course it's not going to come up. What she didn't say is that residents are in harm's way because of the toxicity of this garbage. No one is saying it. Now, floodwaters from Cape Fear opened several breaches overnight in the earthen dam at Sutton Lake, an 11,000-acre reservoir at the power plant. Water from the lake then flooded one of 3 large coal ash dumps lining the lakeshore. Sheehan said the company can't rule out the ash might be escaping in the flooded dump and washing into the river. She can't rule it out. Of course she can't, because it's happening right now, live. We can't rule it out. There may be some mixing here. It's disgusting. Floodwaters at the site are continuing to rise Friday. Now, gray material that the company characterizes coal combustion byproducts could be seen floating in both the lake and river Friday. I don't think anyone's throwing it into the river. Earth Justice and Environmental Advocacy Group had a boat in the river, and they provide images that showed wide gray slicks in the water. A member of the team plucked a turtle from the muck and rinsed it off. Any big spill like this raises concerns about the impacts of humans and the environment. Like I said, lead, mercury, other heavy metals are contained in this garbage. Staff from the Waterkeeper Alliance and environmental group visited the flooded dumps of the HF Lee power plant by boat Wednesday and took photographs and collected samples of gray sludge water they said was washing into the floodwaters. And they brought it to a private lab to analyze, thankfully. So this is just toxic waste being washed into the communities in North Carolina right now. Be safe, everybody. Put your waders on. It's getting deep.